Hello friends, welcome back to the video lessons of the IMPACT IELTS. This is my 12th video on IELTS academic reading, and I'm going to do the same passage that I did in the previous two videos. That is video number 11, 10 and 11, sorry. We did yes, no, not given, multiple choice questions in those two videos. Here I'm going to take the question type that is known as sentence endings. As you can see, if you can recall, as I discussed in the previous video, I got the keywords of this last type of questions here. So once that means I know that I'm going to start, I have to read from here because I'll get my answers from here. So what will I do in this type of questions? Once you have the keywords, that means you will start getting your answer. Then you have to find out the next keyword, which is here. Capasso is unconvinced. So you have to find out what is he unconvinced about, right? So let's try to find out what is he. I will not go through the options. At first I'll see what is he unconvinced about. So I have got the keyword here. So let me find what is he unconvinced. An expert on the Casimir effect at Harvard University in Boston is impressed using metamaterials to reverse the fact. Is saying is a very clever idea. He says, however means he is impressed. However means there is something he is not convinced. What is that? He points out that because metamaterials are difficult to engineer, it is unlikely that they could be used to levitate objects in the near future. Okay. So means we cannot use it in near future. This is what he's saying. So let me see what is he trying to say. Is he saying gold? No, he's not saying gold. A particular type of ethanol? No. The levitation will last for only a few seconds. Few seconds he's not saying. He says it's not going to use in near future. Using metamaterial will help lead to levitation in the short term. Means in long future you're not going to use it. So we are going to use it for a short time. And after that we are not able to use it. So perhaps D, perhaps not. D is the correct answer of this one. So this option gone. So you will just hint, you will just underline it. Here I don't have that option. I would better highlight it. So I'm going to highlight it. That means this option is gone for you, right? Next is saying Capasso has calculated that. So something I have to find out about his calculation. So let's go back to find out what has he calculated. So I'll read from where we finish that question type here. So I'll start reading from here. But there are good signs that quantum levitation, what I'm looking for, calculated. Okay. University of colleagues. No, they're not saying anything about Capasso's experiment. So move further. Yes, now again Capasso and his working on alternative scheme to harness a repulsive calculation. Yes, so there is a word like calculations. I'll read further to find out his calculations. Calculations show that repulsive Casimir force could be set up between dash white gold coated sphere and a silicon dioxide plate if the two are immersed in ethanol. Okay, so gold is there, one more thing is there, and if they are immersed in ethanol, yes. Perhaps let me see if I can find the answers. So he is saying gold can be used. Yes, I've just seen that. Particular type of ethanol? No, he's just saying immerse in ethanol. So this is wrong and this is the right answer. So gold can be used. Yes, of course, he has said that gold can be used. Silicon dioxide can be used and even ethanol can be used. But he didn't talk about particular type of ethanol. Right. The last question is saying Capasso has admitted So what has he admitted? That I have to find out. What has he admitted? Let me go back to the place where I left. So I was here. Admitted. It admitted. I have to find out some words. What has he admitted? Suggest that person could use as very early work, and we need to say so he's saying. That means perhaps this is something that he has said or admitted. So let's see what has he said. What has he said? That is in inverted comma. You can see here. This is here. This is the comma is wrongly placed. It should be here. So you can see it's a very early work, and we still need to make certain this is really happening, but we are slowly building up experimental evidence for so early work, but we are building the evidence or something. So under progress early work. This is what he's saying. Sorry. So he's saying this has been done, particular type of ethanol, no. Levitation will last, no. His experiment will be extremely costly, no. His idea is still only a theory, yes. So app is the correct answer of these questions. We have got all the questions, all the answers now. So we are not going to do this passage anymore. You can check all the answers here for your convenience. Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, we are going to take another passage, and we are going to do it in another videos, in the next 2 and 3 videos. Thank you very much for watching it. See you in the next video. Bye till then.